side.
The side.
The side.
The side.
Open like.
Saturn.
Yes.
Also, when trucks carry things to places that are hard for another truck to reach,
Such as.
like dusty deserts.
Oh, really? Yes.
A road sweeper clear up the road.
And.
Buses sweep up the road from rubbish.
Yes. And.
A motorhome is look like a little house on wheels.
What are inside?
There is a chair, a toilet,
Mm.
and a part to drive, pillows and beds.
Oh, really? Some are very fancy inside.
Yes. These are vehicles,
Construction vehicles.
construction vehicles. Dump truck carry rubbles. Some are used to make things. Others are dropped to the landfill.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yes.
These are excavators. Scoop up the road. Scoop up the earth. This is a concrete mixer. You can use it to make concrete. This is a normal bulldozer. It could clear away rubbles.
Yes.
This is the wheeler. It wheel through the earth.
Really?
A spider excavator from our wet, so they could go from slopes and up slopes.
And.
If there was a rubble, there is a super dozer. This part is called a big rubble. It puts up rubbles away.
Really?
Yes. And this part is filled up with the trees.
Yes.
This is a mobile crane.
Mobile crane.
Yes. It's a two driver. One drives the trucks and the other controls the crane.
Oh, really? Oh.
Huh? A dump trucks.
Can you tell me how to make a road?
Yes. First, a sweeper.
Scraper?
A scraper clear up white blocks.
Whirling blades scoop up rocks.
Roll with blades scoop up rocks.
And slice away lumps of earth.
And slice away lumps of earth.
Yes.
Next, a compactor right behind.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And what it is doing?
Making the road flat.
Making the surface.
Flatter.
Yes, flatter. Can I
A
see
dump
it?
truck. Slash
A dump truck?
a dump truck.
What?
Slash the gravel onto the surface, especially road behind, and it smooths the gravel with its big
Metal blades. Metal blade.
middle plate.
Yes. Can see a paver.
Yes. A fiber made with rock and stones. It's called asphalt.
What I can call
Asphalt.
asphalt.
Yes,
Yes.
asphalt. A roller go slowly behind.
flatten the asphalt?
Yes.
Yes. Bye bye, Pi.
Bye bye.